What's up, guys? Taking a morning walk in Montreal by the lake. I wanted you guys to join me, so here we go. Guys, how cute is this? Look, it just goes to show you could be in your 60s, you could be in your 70s, even your 80s, and still be active. These guys get up early in the morning on a Monday, even though they're retired, to go out and play a game of tennis. So awesome. Bravo. Something else that sets Montreal apart from maybe the rest of Canada are these little umbrellas. You see those umbrellas? Who puts umbrellas on their balconies? Unless you're at an all-inclusive. But maybe the Quebecers think they are at an all-inclusive. Good for them. Looky. More umbrellas, more umbrellas. Man, even the signs in French sound so beautiful. Le mirage sur le fleuve. The mirage on the river. What's up? Love it, love it. Guys, I think I'm gonna pick up that girl over there. She looks so cute. She's just walking all by herself, all by her lonesome. I'm gonna see if I can pick her up. What do you guys think? Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl. Excuse me. Excuse me. What's a girl like you doing in a place like this? All by your lonesome. Yeah. I think you need a strong man by your side to guard you. Where you hiding? Where you hiding? You can laugh on camera. Oh shit. He's gonna beat me up. Alright guys. Serious game going on here. Bonjour. What is this game called? Is it marbles? Cool. Let's see what they're gonna do. Here he goes. It's like curling but with a ball. Oh, it's bocce ball. Is it? Nice, nice. Good shot. Guys, check out this view. How beautiful is this? Man, if I didn't tell you guys this was Montreal, you'd think we're like in Vietnam or like Cambodia or somewhere else. It's freaking beautiful. Last time I was here, I saw like a big ship go by. And it looks like it's moving slowly because it's so big. It's really cool because there's kind of like a little island somewhere there. And it comes out from behind it. So it looks really cool. But it's not here this morning. All right, gonna keep walking. All right, this is retirement living at its best in Quebec. Look at that. Sitting out there with your amigos or amis, your friends. Have your little boat out there. Watch other yachts go by. And you get to stay in this badass place. I bet there's a pool up there. And then they have their own private access to the dock. Very nice, very nice. All right, here's another perspective, guys. Imagine living like 3 to 6 months here in Montreal during the summers and then spending your winters in a place like Mexico or Cuba or Panama. Did you know that Panama? Yeah, guys, Panama is the #1 retirement destination for North Americans. A lot of people don't know that. They think it's like Florida or Mexico or Cuba. Panama. Panama's on the US dollar. Panama's cheaper than Florida. What else? They have the Johns Hopkins Hospital. Has a lot of benefits, and you feel like you're all international because you're in Central America. You're almost equidistant to South America as you are to North America. Plus, they have direct flights now to Dubai. So I don't know why I'm plugging in Panama, but maybe I'm thinking about a vacay. because it's starting to get a little bit cooler here. Today's supposed to be 27. We're going to try to see if we can hit up a beach, enjoy the last couple of days of summer here in Canada. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Let's engage, let's connect, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Ciao.